What's the meaning of blindfolded? Blindfolded. Blindfolded.
Blindfolded. Blindfolded. The term blindfolded refers to the act of covering one's eyes with a cloth or blindfold, often as part of a game or activity. This can be done for various reasons, such as to prevent cheating or to add an element of challenge or suspense. Being blindfolded often requires the person to rely on other senses, such as touch and hearing, to navigate their surroundings. Blindfolds can also be used in sensory deprivation exercises or meditation practices. However, it is important to use caution when blindfolding oneself or others, as it can be dangerous and should always be done safely and with proper supervision.